Okay, hey y'all. So today we applying my wig. I already got my wig cap on, but I'm about to take it off and reapply it. Don't mind my hair. I have hair. It's just brushed all the way back. Okay, so my wig has combs in it, like on the sides. So I just make sure I leave room. Cause like honestly, I think when I pull it, the combs be taking like my edges out. So I've been putting like oil and stuff on it to grow it back in. So right now I'm just combing it out. This is a synthetic wig, but you know, it's still cute once you give it a little life. So I'm just combing this out. So what I'm doing, I'm getting my nail and fixing the hairs and pulling them where I want them to go. And that's pretty fine. Okay. Like I said, this is a synthetic wig, so you really can't expect that much out of a synthetic wig. You know, you just have to break it down because some people be a little stupid. And some people be having synthetic wigs and lying about it, saying that it's human hair, and it's just like, why do you got to lie on a wig? So, okay. I'm not going to wear this wig down, even though I could. I just need somebody to like brush it every time I go somewhere. But this is the wig. Like I said, it's synthetic, and you can't really do too much. You can't really put heat on it. Don't put no heat. You can't really put like foam. All that good stuff you'll put on human hair. You cannot do that with synthetic hair. And if you do, got to do it once. Because if you do it repeatedly, the hair is done. And I've been having this wig since the ending of January. Yeah, like the 20th, mid-end of January. And it's April. So that's good 2 months. So yeah. This is it. I'm just going to put this in a little ponytail. You want to wear it as a ponytail. You just have to keep asking people to brush it. Unless your synthetic wig is like brand new. You won't have to worry about that. It'll be good for like 2 weeks at the max. 2-3 weeks. Okay. This if I was to wear it as a ponytail. Okay. Something like this. I probably got to pull out a little bit more to make them stick together, but other than that, this is a quick and easy style that you can do with a synthetic wig with a middle part. I think you can turn it into a side part too. Whatever you want to do, whatever, you know, matches your liking. You do whatever you want, okay? But don't just be going around lying to people saying, oh, this human wig. Unless it's the same person that keep asking you, oh my God, what wig is it? Then yeah, bitch, it's a human wig. But yeah, this is it. And I'll be back with more tutorials. So that y'all can ask me anything. Just don't ask me how to do makeup because I do not. I want to learn though. But yeah, y'all can ask me about school, taking a medical assisting, any little thing, personal, private, whatever. And yeah.